How to refund missing items in the TEMU order. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you could refund the missing items in a TEMU order. If any day you have to refund the missing items in a TEMU order, at first you have to find the missing items by signing into your TEMU account and going to your orders. After that, you can find the order with the missing items and click on return or refund. Then you can select the missing items and the reason for the return. You can provide any of the additional details about the missing items. Now, in order to request a refund, you have to choose your preferred refund method, the TEMU credit balance or the original payment method. If returning the item, the TEMU will provide a free return label, package the item with the original barcode, and use the label to return it. After the warehouse receives the returned items and inspects them, TEMU will issue the refund. Refunds to the original payments method can take 5 to 14 business days, while the TEMU credits are faster. If the refund is denied, contact the TEMU customer service via email, chat, or phone to resolve the issue. As a last resort, you can file a chargeback with your credit card company, but this may freeze your account while the TEMU investigates. By following all of the steps, you should be able to successfully refund any of the missing items from your TEMU order. If you had any of the question, you can just mention it in the comment section as well. And thank you for watching our video.